Which sentence uses this meaning of crop? Crop verb to cut off a part of something. The hairdresser. Okay, hairdresser. Hairdresser. Okay, hairdresser.
Steer.
He steered his car carefully into the parking space.
Hairdresser.
A person who cuts and
Shapes.
hair.
Okay.
Hairdresser.
Okay, can spell it.
Hairdresser. Hairdresser.
Okay, the hairdresser. The
hairdresser will chop had these
onions.
long hair.
Farmer. Chapman's.
And
entire means whole. Okay, entire thing. Entire global. Entire. Okay, what's that?
Hairdresser. A person who cuts and shapes hair.
Okay. Entire. Okay.
Complete or full. Adjective. We spent the entire day at the beach.
Okay. Entire.
Okay, whole.
Okay, entire means whole. Okay, can spell it.
Entire. Entire. Adjective.
Farmer Chapman's
Enter and entire.
Farmer Chapman's
Entire wheat.
Crop. What's that?
Enter. And
what's that?
Enter. Entire. Whole. We spent the entire whole day. Entire day at the beach.
Okay, entire is the same as whole. Okay.
Entire.
Okay.
Crop.
Okay.
See. Whole big crop.
Okay. Farmer Chapman's
entire wheat crop was destroyed by rain and insects.
Okay.
Crop verb to cut off a part of something.
Okay, which one?
This
Okay,
one.
yeah. Rita.
Rita has.
I just want to check. Okay.
Wait.
pronouncenames.com.
Rita, Rita, Rita,
Louder.
Rita,
Rita. Rita.
Rita,
Rita. Which sentence uses this meaning of read, ring now a piece of jelly, Julie,
Jewelry.
jewelry,
Okay, jewelry. Yeah, that's jewelry. What's that?
crop,
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 crop.
crop,
Jewelry,
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 jewelry.
jewelry,
Can spell.
Jewelry, jewelry.
Okay, decorative objects. Okay,
Decorated objects that people wear on their bodies.
okay, should be bodies. Okay,
A story that a store that sells jewelry,
jewelry.
Jewelry,
jewelry,
jewelry, jewelry, jewelry.
Okay, what are these?
jewelry. Ring now a piece of jewelry, one on a finger.
Okay, Rita.
Rita has a ring with a ruby
Yeah,
in it. The doorbell will ring when Rita gets here.
okay, which one?
This one.
Okay,
Summit.
okay,
Summit. To make this dip, you need white beans, oil, lemon juice, and
garlic.
garlic.
That's garlic. Okay, what's that?
jewelry,
Jewelry.
jewelry,
Jewelry.
jewelry,
Jewelry.
jewelry. A jewelry store.
Garlic.
Garlic,
Garlic.
garlic,
Garlic.
garlic,
Okay, what's this?
garlic.
Okay, spell it.
Garlic.
Okay, to make it this deep, you need white beans, oil, lemon juice, and
Garlic. Right.
and
Max tip their chocolate chip cakes cookies into their milk.
okay. Do you like? So slow.
Which sentence uses this meaning of dip? Dip now sauce to go with foods like chips or vegetables.
Which one? Okay. No, I just want to know how to pronounce this one.
Wyatt. 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 Wyatt.
An insect bite. Insect bite.
I think it's beet. Should it pronounce as beet here? What's that? Do you remember?
Garlic.
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 Yeah, that's beet. Beet. Bite beet.
Bite,
Bite.
bit,
Bite.
bit,
Bite.
bit,
Yeah, the past tense of bite. Beet.
An insect bit hunter
Tanner. Okay.
turned on his palm. A palm is a state tree of both Florida and South
Carolina.
Carolina.
Okay, another state. Okay. Okay, why South Carolina has palm? Okay.
Which sentence uses this meaning of
Palm.
palm? Now, the flat part on the inside of the head.
So which one?
This one.
Okay. Okay.
Summit.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, no.
Hey.
So many different meanings. Okay.
Found a diamond bracelet at the bus stop and gave it to the police.
Brand.
And ran
Yeah.
around the baseball diamond, touch each base as he went.
Okay, let's stop.